to support this important cause of uplifting the lives of young girls in rural India. And it's so good to be surrounded by all the compassionate hearts who understand the joy of giving. When we give to uplift the lives of young girls, we are not just meeting their immediate needs, we are planting the seeds of their blossoming futures. So each toilet that is built and each hygiene kit that is distributed or each talk of dignity, menstruation, they all add up to be a safer, stronger, more equal world for our girls. And I'm sure all of us have experienced the joy of giving here, right? The magic of giving. Giving doesn't deplete us, it doesn't make us small, it expands us, it opens our hearts, it connects us across the cultures, continents, and generations. So when I first heard of this cause of She building toilets, I made a simple appeal in our group, close-knit group of friends. Hey, let's come attend this gala. And couple of them said they cannot come, but they want to support the cause. And people say, OMG, I would say, Jai Shri Ram, right? Shri Ram. So that small act or small commitment sparked a big, I would say, big domino-like effect of kindness, because then within 24 hours we were able to raise money for 2 fully funded toilets, which is $650 per toilet, so $1,300 within 24 hours from this group alone. Then I made similar appeal in the Anka group, which is run by Ulka Nagarkar. It's a big community of local and friends around the country. And that group also raised about enough to support 1 toilet in 24 hours. So I was encouraged by this and I made an appeal on social media. And again, funds just started coming in. So with the support of those friends and our Gupshup friends, we raised the money for 3 toilets. Anka group raised 2 toilets. And just today I received another contribution for 6 toilets. Can you imagine that? And this one was funded just by 4 people. I would like to name them because just 4 people put this together. Swati Kukian of Rudra Creations, Kavita Rao of Amita Fashions, Vidya Zoshi, Nitin Zoshi. 4 people funded 1 toilet. In the Anka group, we raised about, for $1,450, and in our Gupshup group and other friends, we raised $2,100. So total, we are giving $4,200, which is $3,900 for 6 toilets and $300 for 10 hygiene kits. So I think this whole entire journey was just a beautiful experiment in social giving, social connectivity. This wouldn't have been possible without the universe channeling these resources through us to send them wherever they are needed the most right now. And the need is still there, so keep giving. Tonight is also the time when we can still give out those checks. Open your wallets, open your hearts. Today being the International Day of Yoga, it serves as a beautiful reminder that we are all one. The word yoga literally means union of individual consciousness and the universal consciousness. When I help others, I uplift myself. When I harm others, I harm myself. Because we are not separate from each other, we are all one and the big same cosmic consciousness. That is the yoga, that is the International Day of Yoga, true celebration, realizing this oneness in all of us. So may we continue evolving on this journey of awareness together, loving, sharing, giving, caring, and serving. Namaste.
Please accept this token of thanks from the Seva Chicago Chapter.
Everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.
Actually, I I forgot to mention the names. Just one. Okay, it's okay. I wanted to mention 8 friends also who, because there are 90 of us who came together to give this donation of 6 strollers. But I wanted to mention, other than the 4 that I mentioned before, 8 friends who gave more than $100. I just wanted to mention their names. One is here, Lata Gupta, and Padmaja Khanna, Shubha Gupta, Archana Sakre. Yes, please keep going. Jayanti Vaikunthapati. I had one of those names. Yeah, please give me. I forgot my sheet there.
It's fine. You can.
Komal Verma and Neeta Singh, Nandini Pal. Thank you to all these big donors also, plus all our donors connected through this campaign. Thank you.